Hello friends, welcome back to the Justice Junction. In this video, I am going to continue list of Law Commission reports. 15th Law Commission Report. Chairman Mr. Justice B.P. Jeevan Reddy, 1997 to 2000. It played a crucial role in legal reforms in India. During its tenure, the Commission undertook a comprehensive review of existing laws, recommending amendments and new legislations to align with contemporary needs. It addressed issues related to criminal justice, electoral reforms, and administrative law. The Commission recommendation aimed to enhancing efficiency, fairness, accessibility within the legal system, contributing to the ongoing evolution of Indian legal framework. Now let's discuss the reports. 157th Law Commission Report, which talks about Section 52 of Transfer of Property Act 1882 and its amendment. 158th Law Commission Report, it talks about the amendment of the Industrial Development and Regulation Act 1951. 159th Law Commission Report, that is Repealed and Amendment of Laws Part 1. 160th Law Commission Report, that is Amendment to All India Council of Technical Education Act 1987. 161st Law Commission Report talks about Central Vigilance Commission and allied bodies. 162nd Law Commission Report talks about review of functioning of Central Administrative Tribunal, Customs, Excise and Gold Appellate Tribunal and Income Tax Appellate Tribunal. 163rd Law Commission Report talks about the Code of Civil Procedure Bill 1997. 164th Law Commission talks about the Indian Divorce Act 1869. 165th Law Commission Report talks about free and compulsory education for children. 166th report, that is the Corrupt Public Servants Forfeiture of the Property Bill. 167th Law Commission Report talks about the Parents Amendment Bill 1998. 168th Law Commission Report talks about the Hire Purchase Act 1972. 169th Law Commission Report talks about the amendment of Army, Navy and Air Force Act. 170th Law Commission Report talks about reform of the electoral laws. 171st Law Commission Report talks about the Biodiversity Bill 2000. 172 Law Commission Report talks about review of rape laws. 173rd Law Commission Report talks about Prevention of Terrorism Bill 2000. 174th Law Commission Report talks about property rights of women, proposed reforms under the Hindu law. Now we are going to discuss about 16th Law Commission Report. Chairman Mr. Justice B.P. Jeevan Reddy 2002-2001 and Chairman Mr. Justice M. Jagannath Rao 2002-2003. 175th Law Commission Report talks about the Foreign Amendment Bill 2000, whereas 176th Law Commission Report talks about the Arbitration and Conciliation Bill 2002. 177th Law Commission Report talks about law relating to arrest. 178th Law Commission Report talks about recommendation for amending various enactments, both civil and criminal. 179th Law Commission Report talks about public interest, disclosure and protection of the informed. 180th Law Commission Report talks about Article 20, Clause 3 of the Constitution of India and right to silence. 181st Law Commission Report talks about amendment to Section 106 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882. 182nd Law Commission Report talks about amendment of Section 6 of Land Acquisition Act 1894. 183rd Law Commission Report talks about a continuum of the General Clause Act 1897 with special reference to the admissibility and codification of external aids and interpretation of statutes. 184th Law Commission talks about legal education and professional training and proposals for amendment to the Advocates Act 1961 and the University Grant Commission Act 1956. 185th Law Commission Report talks about review of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Now we are going to discuss 17th Law Commission. Chairman Mr. Justice M. Jagannatha Rao 2003 to 2006. It played a significant role in legal reforms and legislative recommendations in India. During his tenure, the Commission addressed various legal issues and provided valuable insights of improving the legal system. Under Justice M. Jagannatha Rao leadership, the 70th Law Commission continued to the tradition of contributing the development and refinement of laws in the country, focusing on contemporary legal challenges and proposing reforms to meet the evolving need of society. Let's discuss about its reports. 186th Law Commission report talks about proposal to constitute environmental codes. 187th Law Commission report talks about mode of execution of death sentence and incidental matters. 188th Law Commission report talks about the proposal for constitution of high-tech fast-track commercial division in high courts. 189th Law Commission report talks about revision of court fees structure. 90th Law Commission report talks about the revision of the Insurance Act 1938 and the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority 99. 191st Law Commission report talks about regulation of funds collected for calamity relief. 192nd Law Commission report talks about prevention of vexatious litigation. 193rd Law Commission talks about transactional litigation, conflicts of law, and laws of limitation. 194th Law Commission report talks about verification of stamp duties and registration of arbitral awards. 95th Law Commission report talks about the Judges Bill 2005. 196th Law Commission report talks about medical treatment of terminally ill patients. 197th Law Commission report talks about public prosecutors' appointment. 198th Law Commission report talks about witness identity protection and witness protection programs 2006. 199th Law Commission report talks about unfair terms in contract. 200th Law Commission report talks about trial by media, free speech versus free trial under criminal procedure. 201 Law Commission report talks about medical treatment after accidents and during emergency medical conditions and women in labor. Now we are going to discuss about 18th Law Commission. Chairman Dr. Justice E.R. Lakshmanan, 2007 to 2009. This commission played a crucial role in examining and suggesting reforms in legal framework of India. Under Dr. Justice E.R. Lakshmanan leadership, the commission focused on addressing contemporary legal issues, proposing amendments and contributing to the enhancement of legal system. During the period, the commission engaged in extensive research and consultations to provide valuable recommendations for legislative improvements. The 18th Law Commission continued the tradition of its predecessor in contributing to the ongoing process of legal development and ensuring the relevance of laws to the changing needs of society. 202 Law Commission report talk about proposal to amend section 304B of Indian Penal Code. 203rd Amendment talks about section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 as amended by the Code of Criminal Procedure Amendment Act 2005 anticipatory way. 204 Law Commission report talks about proposal to amend the Hindu Succession Act 1956 as amended by Act 39 of 2005. 205 Law Commission report talks about proposal to amend the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 and other allied laws. 206 Law Commission report talks about proposal for enactment of new Corners Act applicable to the whole of India. 207 Law Commission report talks about proposal to amend Section 15 of Hindu Succession Act 1956 in case of a female dies interstate leaving herself acquired property with no heirs. 208 Law Commission report talks about proposal for amendment of explanation to Section 6 to the Hindu Succession Act 1956 to include oral partition and family arrangements in the definition of partition. 209 Law Commission report talks about proposal of omission of Section 213 from the Indian Succession Act 1925. 210 Law Commission report talk about humanization and discriminalization of attempt to suicide. To 11th Law Commission report talks about laws of registration of marriage and divorce, a proposal for consolidation and reform. To 12th Law Commission report talks about laws of civil marriage in India, a proposal to resolve certain conflicts. To 13th Law Commission report talks about fast track magisterial courts for dishonored checks cases. To 14th Law Commission talks about proposal for reconsideration of judges, case 1, case 2 and case 3 SP Gupta vs Union of India. To 15th Law Commission report talks about L. Chandra Kumar B revisited by larger venture of Supreme Court of India. To 16th Law Commission talks about on feasibility of introduction of Hindi as compulsory language in the Supreme Court of India. To 17th Law Commission report talks about irretrievable breakdown of marriage, another ground of divorce. To 18th Law Commission talk about need to accede to the Hague Convention on the civil aspect of international child abduction 1980. To 19th Law Commission report talks about need for family law legislation for non-resident Indians. To 20th Law Commission report talks about need to fix maximum chargeable court fees in subordinate civil courts. To 21 Law Commission report talks about need for speedy justice, some suggestions. To 22nd Law Commission report talks about need for justice dispensation through ADR etc. To 23rd Law Commission report talks about need for ameliorating the lot of have-nots Supreme Court judgments. To 24th Law Commission talks about amendment of Section 2 of the Divorce Act 1869, enabling non-domiciled estranged Christians' wives to seek divorce. To 25th Law Commission talk about amendment of Section 7, 7E and 7B of Industrial Dispute Act 1947, making advocates eligible to labor courts and industrial tribunals 2009. 226th Law Commission report talks about the inclusion of acid attacks on specific offences in Indian Penal Code and in law for compensation for victims of crime. 227 Law Commission report talks about preventing bigamy, conversion to Islam, a proposal for giving statutory effect to Supreme Court rulings. 228 Law Commission talks about need for legislation to regulate assisted reproductive technology clinics as well as rights and obligation of parties to a surrogacy. 229th Law Commission report talks about need for division of the Supreme Court into a constitution bench at Delhi and session benches in 4 regions at Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata and Mumbai. 230th Law Commission report talks about reforms in the judiciary, some suggestions. 231st Law Commission report talks about amendments in Indian Stamp Act 1899 and Court Fees Act 1870, permitting different modes of payments. 232 Law Commission report talks about retirement age of chairpersons and members of tribunals, need for uniformity. 233rd Law Commission talks about amendment of Code of Criminal Procedure, enabling restoration of complaints. 234th Law Commission report talks about legal reforms to combat road accidents. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the Law Commission and its reports. If you found this video informative, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational content. Stay informed and stay engaged. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring. Goodbye.